My name is Joseph, and I'm part of the education team here at MongoDB. MongoDB University is excited to announce the launch of Transcripts. Transcripts are available in all MongoDB University courses and will make training more accessible to our users. Here's how it works. When you land on a video tutorial within a course, you'll find a Show Transcript button right below the video player. Simply click that button and the video transcript will load to the right of the video. The transcript will automatically scroll as the instructor speaks, and the corresponding subtitle will be highlighted. If you'd like to go to a specific point in the video, you can click on any caption within the transcript, and it will take you to that point in the video. Jumping to a different point in the video player itself will automatically bring the transcript to its corresponding subtitle as well. You can download any accompanying course material by clicking on the Download Course Materials tab beneath the video player or on the download icon in the transcript. And that's Transcripts. Happy learning!